Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up taxes on Shopify. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to log into your Shopify account. And then you can see here on the left side, there are options, but you just have to simply scroll down and look for settings or this gear icon right here. So you just have to tap the settings, and then once you're under settings, what you want to do next is to simply look for taxes and duties. So I'm going to show you. Tap this one, scroll down, and look for taxes and duties right here. Okay, so tap this one here. Now under taxes and duties, you can see here tons of features and options. But if you see or read in this board, you see this manage sales tax collection. So you can read this board in order for you to know more about this taxes and duties. Now below we have here country or region. So all you have to do is to select your specific country or region right here. But at this time, let's focus on the places and cities under United States. So let me go to the search bar and then type UN, click United States. And once you tap or click this one, then you will see this manage debt collection, tax rates and exemptions. We have here reporting. And if you want to see more information, you can just tap this manage here. So under manage, we have here Shopify tax, we have here basic tax, and we have here manual tax. Now, if we go back, we have also here manage tax collection. So you can monitor or manage tax liability here. Okay, so you can find more details by tapping this find the details, and it will take you directly to another page where you can see more information about this tax liability. But we can skip to that and move forward to states you're collecting in or start collecting. Here you can register for collection if you don't know anything about your tax liability. Okay, if you don't know about your tax duties and responsibilities, then you can go to this part to know more. Okay, so let's step first to start collecting. And then here is sales tax automatically calculated and applied to orders. So if you tap the sales tax in Alabama, then it will take you to this page where you can see more information about taxes in Alabama. Now, if you don't know your sales ID number, you could just simply type sales ID number Alabama, then it will take you to this. You can see here some information, but as you can see, if you want to know or if you want to see your permit or your sales tax permit or how to get ID number in Alabama, so you could just simply go to this page, go to this site, and you will learn more on how to get your sales ID in Alabama. But since this one is just a tutorial, so I'm gonna give you an example sales ID number if you're living in Alabama. It's not really an exact sales ID number. This is just for tutorial. So here I'm gonna show you what it looks like. But before that, like what I mentioned earlier, it's very important to know your sales ID number, or you have to register for sales and get a tax permit in Alabama. Okay, so you can just simply go to this part, read the following here, and you will have enough information about sales tax permit. Now, if you have your sales ID number with you, what you want to do is to go back to your Shopify and then paste that ID number here. And then tap collect sales tax. Okay, so you're done with that. And you will see tracked here that you have added your sales ID number. Okay, living in Alabama, and here's the information. Okay, now once you're done in this part, we can now scroll down. And here you can see categorized products for tax purposes. Okay, so you can manage category here if you want. You can see here some information about your products. And anyways, let's go directly to this add shipping overrides. So what is this shipping overrides on Shopify? So Overrides for item shippers allow for the delivery of a specific item to its intended location, even in the event that other products on the order are shipped by a different shipper. The item shipped via override table for each item defines the shipper who is eligible to ship via override. Shipping amount override can be used to either increase or decrease shipping costs for larger pieces or smaller things. So everything is up to you here. So as you can see, if you add a custom tax rate for the product, you just have to simply click that product and then enter the tax rate here. As easy as that. So as you can see here for my bags and wallets, I have here 10%. So if you create a tax offered for a categorized product, the taxes will be calculated using the override. Okay, so here are the other options and features here under tax rates and exceptions. If you want to see the summary of your taxes or the report of your taxes, you just have to simply click that button and it will take you directly to your tax report summary. And here, of course, you can monitor everything, their product, the shipment, and all the taxes. Okay, so going back, as you can see, if you go to this part, we have your duties and import taxes. So if you click this one, you can see that this one is only intended for any plan like basic, Shopify, or advanced. So I cannot unlock this one because I'm just currently using the free version of Shopify. So if you want to know more about this, you just had to select any of this plan here. Okay, so yes, choose your plan now. Now going back to taxes and duties, you will see the following here, right? If you're done with the compare plans, then go to decide how tax is charged. So here you can simply check in the box if you want to include tax and prices. So here you can see more information about this one. We have here charge tax on ship rates. Okay, so you can just simply tap or check this box here if you agree with their terms and conditions. And lastly, we have here charge VAT on digital goods. So if you're okay with that, then you just have to tap in this box right here. Okay, now once you're done in this area, we can go to this shipping and delivery option. So here you could choose where you ship and how much you charge for shipping at checkout. So here you can modify the settings. As expected, delivery days, you can show that one on if you want. Okay, so we have here local delivery. So you can see here a local pickup, the place, the city, and you could also upgrade your plan if you want. So once you're done, once you're done with the settings and everything here under taxes and duties, then you're way to go. You can now start your Shopify store. Again, when we talk about taxes and duties, any items that are transported across borders are the seller's responsibility. During the checkout procedure, money for these charges can be collected. So you can review and edit any information here, but you have to be sure that this information are correct because this is a very important feature or option here on Shopify. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.